Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.1 Page number 23. Match the pictures with the suitable words. Clothes, writing, bus, diary, grandparents. Diary, grandparents, clothes, bus, writing. Write some sentences using the table given below. One has done for you. We, you, I, he, she, Aman. Are, am, is. Going to travel. By bus, by ship, by car, by plane, by train, by bike. We are going to travel by bus. You are going to travel by ship. I am going to travel by car. He is going to travel by train. Aman is going to travel by bike. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.2 Page number 24. Read the passage on page number 20 from the lesson and answer the following. Underline the words ending with ed from the reading text and copy them below. One has done for you. Started, arranged, delighted, surrounded, tasted. Arrange the same words in alphabetical order. Arranged, delighted, started, surrounded, tasted. Circle the odd one from the following words. One has done for you. Window, door, cupboard, flower. Flower. Crane, dove, fox, crow. Fox. Chair, green, red, black. Chair. Bus, tree, lorry, auto. Tree. Jackfruit, neem, pomegranate, mango. Neem. Tomorrow, yesterday, field, today. Field. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.3 Page number 25. Read the passage on page number 21-22 from the lesson and answer the following. From I woke up to for some time. Write the missing letters in the following words. Breeze. EIU delicious. LL village. WI swaying. EA pleasant. EAS breakfast. OI morning. DD paddy. Underline the words ending with ing from the reading text on page number 21-22 and copy them below. One has been done for you. Swaying. Threshing. Singing. Enchanting. Balancing. Helping. Make the words as shown below and write them in the blanks provided. Ground. P. Wall. Beetle. Cocoa. Cashew. Nut. Groundnut, peanut, walnut, betel nut, coconut, cashew nut. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.4 Page number 26. Read the passage on page number 22-23 from the lesson and answer the following. Today my mother to my next visit. Write some names of games and sports you know. Games and sports: hide and seek, chess, swimming, cricket, tennis, caroms. Write some sentences using the table below. Trees, hens, flowers, cows, clouds. Give us. Shade, eggs, rain, milk, sweet smell. Trees give us shade. Hens give us eggs. Flowers give us sweet smell. Cows give us milk. Clouds give us rain. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.5 Page number 27. Read the following statements and state true for the right statements and false for the wrong statements. Santosh went to Ramapuram by bus. There was a heavy traffic in the village. The village children climbed up a neem tree. Santosh packed his clothes and toys. The canal in the village was not so clean. True, false, false, true, false. Arrange the following statements in the sequential order using the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Santosh tasted the first mango of the season. Santosh's family went to Ramapuram. He went for a walk in the morning. Santosh packed his clothes and toys. He went to the canal for bath. Santosh's family returned to the city. Santosh helped in breaking groundnut pods. Santosh family decided to go to his grandparents' village. First statement. Santosh family decided to go to his grandparents' village. Second statement. Santosh packed his clothes and toys. Third statement. Santosh family went to Ramapuram. Fourth statement. Santosh tasted the first mango of the season. Fifth statement. He went for a walk in the morning. Sixth statement. Santosh helped in breaking groundnut pods. Seventh statement. He went to the canal for bath. Eighth statement. Santosh's family returned to the city. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.6 Page number 28. Write the plural forms for the given words. One has been done for you. Singular, plural. Family, families. Habit, habits. Diary, diaries. Field, fields. Mango, mangoes. Bush, bushes. Stick, sticks. Child, children. Here is a list of things in the help box that you may carry while going on a trip. Put them under appropriate columns. Water, biscuits, mobile, clothes, brush, bread, juices, torch, fruits, cool drink, comb, buttermilk. Food items, drinks, things or objects. Biscuit, bread, fruits are food items. Water, juices, cool drinks, buttermilk are drinks. Mobile, clothes, brush, torch, comb are objects. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.6 Page number 29. Find the antonyms to the following words in the grid. Write them in the space provided. Delighted, early, happy, smooth, laugh, break, started, delighted, both, early, late, happy, sad, smooth, rough, laugh, cry, break, connect, started, ended. Arrange the jumbled letters in each group to make meaningful words. Example: summer, habit, village, travel, journey, flower, fresh, canal, season, Blossoms 5 Workbook. Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.7 page number 30. Read the following sentences carefully. There is no one at home and nothing is there to do. It is very boring. Let's go out and do something, Pallavi said to Santosh. In the above sentences, the underlined words, that is no one, nothing and something, do not refer to any person or thing. Such words are called indefinite pronouns. These pronouns are used to talk about people, places or things without saying exactly who, where or what they are. Here is a list of indefinite pronouns referring to people, places and things. People, places, things. Anyone, anybody. Everyone, everybody. No one, nobody. Someone, somebody. Places. Anywhere, everywhere, nowhere, somewhere. Things. Anything. Everything, nothing, something. Read the following sentences and underline the indefinite pronouns in the context. I am so hungry. I will buy something to eat. Something. Is there anything interesting on TV? Anything. The roses are everywhere in the garden. everywhere. Is there anybody at home? Anybody. Change the underlined verbs into negative and write them in the blanks provided. Simple past sentence, simple past negative sentence. Example, he played handball. He did not play handball. Sunita waited in the kitchen. Sunita did not wait in the kitchen. I made bread. I did not make bread. They cleaned the room. They did not clean the room. We went shopping. We did not go shopping. She danced well yesterday. She did not dance well yesterday. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.8 Page number 31. Look at the pictures and complete the paragraph. You may use the hints given below. Hints: rain, helpless, requested, rainy day, bullock cart, wheel, young, man, saw, tried, mud, thanks, pushing, happy. Once a cartman was driving his cart with full load. It was a rainy day. Suddenly, his bullock cart got stuck into the mud. The rain was heavy. He tried to push the wheel of the bullock cart, but there was no use. He was helpless. After some time, a young man came that way and saw the cartman in that position. The cartman requested the young man to help him in pushing the cart's wheel. They both tried for some time. At last, the wheel came out of the mud. The cartman felt happy and said thanks to the young man. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.9 Page number 32. Are there many trees around your school home village? Observe trees closely. Write a diary entry recording your observations. You may use hints given below. Name: summer, jasmine, smell, water, shady, biggest, banyan, tamarind, cool, school, home, village, air, rose, beautiful, shade. Date 9/11/2021. Dear Diary, today I observed many trees around my school. There are neem, banyan, tamarind and peepal trees. The trees are shady and cool. The neem tree is biggest among all the trees. They give us fresh air and cool shade. All the children play under the shade of the neem tree. We water the plants every day. Today I observed a rose flower on a rose plant. It's so beautiful. Jasmine plant will give jasmines in summer. We can smell the fragrance of jasmines. I felt very happy today. Name: S. Krishna. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.10 Page number 33 Reading Comprehension Shruti.
Hello Gopi, we have met after a long time. Where have you been?
Gopi. Hello, I have been to Shimla with my family during the holidays. We came back yesterday. Shruti.
Oh, I am sure you had a great time.
Gopi. Yes, how about you? Have you visited any place during the holidays? Shruti.
No, I have not. I joined a dance institute. I am learning Kuchipudi these days. I don't want to miss the classes. So we are here throughout the holidays.
Gopi. Okay, that sounds interesting. Is it very difficult? Shruti.
No, it is not. In fact, I am really enjoying it.
Gopi. Wow, that's great. Now read the following statements and write true for the right statements and false for the wrong statements. Shruti went to Shimla during the holidays. False. Shruti joined a dance institute. True. She learned Kuchipudi in Shimla. False. Learning Kuchipudi dance is very difficult for Shruti. False. Gopi did not enjoy the beauty of Shimla. False. Blossoms 5 Workbook Unit 2 My Sweet Memories Worksheet 2.10 Page number 34 Read the lesson and answer the following questions. Name some of the activities of the village children during their vacation. Answer: climbing trees, swimming, playing. Did Santosh enjoy his morning walk? How do you know? Answer: yes, he enjoyed his morning walk with cool breeze, sweet sound of birds and the cuckoo songs. How did Santosh spend his time when he went to the canal? Answer. There were many children splashing around the canal. Santosh played for some time in the cool water. How did Santosh know that the canal was so clean? Answer. He could see the pebbles and colorful fish swimming in the canal. Why did Santosh forget to watch television or playing video mobile games? Answer. Why? Because he enjoyed a lot in the village by playing with children. Is TV or video mobile game the only way to pass time? Can we do something else? Answer. Yes. We can do something else like playing with children, swimming, and observing the nature.